Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create your Pandora jewelry account. Pandora is a jewelry brand that designs, manufactures and markets hand-finished and contemporary jewelry made from high-quality materials at very affordable prices. Now on the top search bar, search for us.pandora.net. Here you'll be led to the official website of Pandora Jewelry. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a profile icon. If you click on it, you'll be led to your accounts page where you can either log in, create account or check your order status. Since we're going to create our Pandora account, click on the create account option. Here you'll have to enter all your credentials. Firstly, type in your first name, your last name, your valid email address, and just below that you'll have to create a strong password. Repeat the password on the confirm password section. Now just below that, if you'd like to sign up for the Pandora newsletter, click on the box, but if not, you can continue with the process. Similarly, you'll also see options to either log in with Facebook or sign up with Google. But if you choose to sign up with either of the two options, Pandora will use your Google or Facebook information for its website. But if not, you can directly click on the submit button. And you'll have successfully created your Pandora jewelry account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.